and welcome to All in One Perspective. How are your thoughts connections today? My name is adrianapvillalobos. For the top best self-development systems, subscribe to my channel down below and hit that bell notifications so I can notify you when I upload a video and you stay on top of it. Today we are going to talk about what are 8 signs that you are going to be successful. So grab yourself a drink, sit down, get comfortable, and number 1 sign that you are going to be successful. If you see the outer world with love, with passion. Now what I mean by this is that you're happy with the success of others. Seeing other people around you successful makes you happy and aligned with what you are going to be. You don't feel unworthy or hate on their success. No, you feel happy for them and you actually learn from them. That is a sign that you are going to be successful. You take on responsibilities and do not blame. You don't blame yourself, you don't blame others, you take that responsibility, you learn from it, and you move on. You are content, but at the same time, it's that contentment helps you to gain more. It's not that you're content to be at the same level. No, you want to be upper level if you want to become successful, right? But you are content with the level that you are now, because not being content will help you to get to a level above. What I mean is, you are grateful for what you have now and thankful for the people that have helped you along the way. There's a sign that you will become successful. Second sign, you will become successful. You have a burning desire. You are driven. If you have a burning desire, you have always had a sensation that you will be successful. You don't know how exactly, but you are grateful and excited because you just know it in your bones. That is a sign you are going to become successful. You don't see the world where ignorance is bliss. You don't see it just at that level. You see it more than that. You see it more within your desires. You believe more in your burning desires than living the world that's ignorant is bliss. You are super competitive with yourself. You are a hustler. You strive for more. You get what you want. You have what you want. But you know you can get more of it, and so you strive for more. Let me explain that one. You see, for example, I used to work in sales, and I knew even though people on my team weren't able to get as many orders on a weekday, I knew I could get as much orders as I could on weekdays, right? So once I had my 5 orders, I knew I was able to get more than that. And so I focused and nothing else went on my way and I got more and more orders. Like I said, you got what you want, but you're able and you know and you want to strive for more. And that just makes you so excited. No one can tell you no and you know that you could do it. Even though it seems impossible. It's possible in your mind. That is a sign you are going to be successful. You never give up. Yes, you are allowed to cry and to fail, and you get up and you already know another way not to do it. You don't stop at a no. You keep getting your yeses. You relentlessly seek more experience. You want to have more experience in your life because you learn new things, you move, meet, grow. You know you're going to be successful if you are a visionary. You are a dreamer, a mastermind. You see it in your mind. It's so visionary, it's so vividly that you could see it in front of you. And even though you're far away from that goal that you see in front of you, you're nowhere close to it. It's not impossible for you. To you, it's like it's in front of you, no matter what anyone else says. You realize that there is no end game. It's not about how much money you're able to reach. You don't tie success with the material realm. But because this is what you came here to do, you have that clear crystal clear. That, my friends, is a sign you are going to be successful. Third sign you are going to be successful. You believe in yourself. If you are confident but competent, if you know that you're not better or less than anyone, you know you're humbled down, that type of confidence, you have the courage to believe in yourself even when no one else does. And this is a very great one because it takes a lot of courage, a lot of confidence to build up. You take your chances going with your gut, taking a risk. You see your future as a success, even if you're far from being there. For example, instead of listening to the outer world with 2 ears, you listen to the outer world with 1 ear. The other ear is in your intuition. You know, a lot of people are not risk takers, and maybe to them, it concerns them that you want a 9-to-5 job to play it safe. But you know that in your gut, you're going to be successful, and that's why you're taking the risk of not going on the flow that everyone else is going and going on your flow and making something beautiful out of it, building your own empire. That's a big risk that you're willing to take because you know it, like in your bones, the burning desires, like you will get there. The future is in your eyes, even though it's far from now. That is a sign you're going to be very successful. The fourth sign you are going to be successful. If you love learning about yourself, you're going to be successful. If you are working on yourself harder than on your superficial areas of your life, you are going to be successful. Others spend more time working on their superficial areas of their life. For example, they work more on their job, on their school, forgetting that the empire that you're building comes from inside. What? Yes, the greatest work of all is to work on yourself. You really believe this. You really do your best to learn more about yourself. So much that you're able to listen to the universe, as you know that the universe reveals its secrets to those who follow their heart. The universe reveals its secrets to those who follow their heart. You work on yourself to be able to be balanced with which the things that you are trying to build. Helps you not only to understand more about yourself, but those are tools that you're able to use in the outer world to get to where you want to be. That's a sign that you are going to be successful. You know how to utilize those tools that come from within. If you are learning who you are, if you are real with yourself, and by the way, I have this video right here. I'll put an image right here. Tap this link right here. Not right now, but when the video ends, this video is all about focus and about your inner self. Watch this video if it interests you more. If you are being real with yourself and know that you are still becoming, you understand and you are aware that you are not living someone else's life. Therefore, you have self-acceptance. You accept who you are. You take every obstacle as a learning opportunity. You understand your strengths and your weaknesses. This is why it's very important to learn more about yourself. You understand your strengths and your weaknesses. You're very aware of yourself. Very aware. This is because you constantly read the greatest book ever, which is, come here. You read the great book, which is the book within yourself. With that, you tap your uniqueness, and that is a sign you are going to become successful. Which leads to the fifth sign you are going to become successful. You're always learning, you're always acquiring knowledge. You're learning something every single day. You understand that wisdom is bliss. You no longer see the world as ignorance is bliss. You understand that wisdom is bliss. You want to learn from the people that are already successful. You are attracted to successful people. You are investing in yourself. The money that you have when you trade it for something, you are investing for that thing, right? Instead of investing your money on tacos every weekend or on the movies or going out with your friends every single weekend, you are smart to invest your money on online courses. You read self-help books, money books to better yourself for success. You eat good. You watch self-help videos, business videos, to be able to acquire the knowledge that you want. That is a sign that you are going to be successful. Because you know that what you get in return is way much more. And it doesn't go away. You're not wasting it. It's here. Ooh. You know you're going to be successful if you see things in different perspectives. You question what you don't know. You're very curious. You want to know more answers. The more you know, the more you realize how much you do not know. This is a sign you're going to be successful. Sign number 6, that you are going to be successful. If you are aware that success requires replacements, you replace the screen with having a clear vision of your goals, of your dreams. You take a walk outside in nature. You replace blame with responsibility. You replace fear with courage to take action. Replace bad habits with great habits. Going out with your friends with dedication on your goals. You replace distraction with alignment. Successful people have great habits. If you are aware and you have great habits, you are going to be successful. Number 7. If you talk it like you walk it, you're talking and you're taking action. If you're prepared to receive, you will receive. You act as if it's already there, and that's why you're prepared, because you already have it. You act like you already have it. You walk like you talk it. You speak it into existence. You are the wizard, and the words are the magic that becomes alive. Words are magical, very powerful. Words align with the universe, aligns with you. So you use that power of words and you speak it into existence. And you just are prepared for it. You're not sitting down there, waiting for it to come and for it to be all perfect. No, you are starting, you are ready for it to be there. If you are affirming it to the universe, it's a sign you're going to be successful. But also you're backing it up with actions.
You're backing it up?
Yeah, no, that's not no. But also backing it up with actions. Taking the right steps that you need to get to where you want to be. You basically need 5 major steps. And I'll probably do another video about this. What do I mean by you basically need 5 major steps to start, and everything else is basically the empty steps. That's another video. But those are signs that you are going to be successful. Talking about actions. My last but not least 8th sign you're going to be successful is your mind never stops. Never stops. What do I mean by this? For example, you're like, man, okay, I have to do this, to do that, and I see it on my mind. It's a map, and but what about if I do this? Then I'm going to get this result. And your mind never stops. It's always continuously going. You're always trying to figure out creative ways to get what you want. You spend your time productively. Your mind works like a mastermind, and your heart is a map to it. And they both are helping each other. And you listen to the universe secrets, because you're following your heart, thinking of creative ways to get what you want. You replace TV with finishing up your work. Never hesitating to do more. You just have that power within you to finish what you started. That is a sign that you are going to be successful. One thing that successful people have in common is they have the ability to influence, persuade, and inspire others. So I'll leave you guys with that. I have a few videos on this to help you kind of get the wheel going, of where I talk more in depth about success, self-worth, and focus. Want to discover more about yourself, it is right here, and I also have it up here on the screen, and I will also have them down in the description. So make sure you check them out if you're interested. Now it's your turn. What were your takeaways from this video? Let me know, me and the community, if you have one or multiple signs that you are going to become successful, and if so, which ones? This is our community where we share alignment. So if you have any other ideas or questions, or you think of any other signs for you to have to become successful, another sign, let us know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this community in general. And I just wanted to add this little clip. Okay. Bye. I'll see you guys again until next time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed but you keep coming back, subscribe to my channel. Okay. Oh wow. And hit that bell notification. I'm personally able to send you a notification with my new uploaded video. And I just want to give a big shout out to those of you guys that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and being a part of this community. Remember, spread passion, much love, and peace.